Hello and welcome back to English with Aish. I'm Aish, and I'm so happy to have you here today. In this episode, we're going to talk about something very important and very helpful for both your life and your English: healthy habits. But don't worry, this is not a science class. We'll talk about real habits, real routines, and how small choices can make a big difference in your day. And as you listen, you'll be improving your English naturally. This episode is designed for B1 learners, so I'll speak clearly, slowly, and use useful expressions. Are you ready? Let's begin. I believe the way you start your day can shape your whole day. That's why my healthy habits begin in the morning. Every morning, I wake up at 6:30 a.m. I don't check my phone right away. Instead, I take a few deep breaths and stretch my body. This helps me feel more present and relaxed. Then I drink a glass of water. It's simple, but it wakes me up more than coffee. After that, I go for a short walk outside, just 10 or 15 minutes. I don't run or do heavy exercise. I just walk, look at the sky, breathe the fresh air, and sometimes listen to soft music or a podcast. When I come back, I eat a light breakfast, usually something like oatmeal with fruit or a smoothie. I try to avoid too much sugar in the morning because it makes me feel tired later. Healthy habits are not just about the body, they're also about the mind. Every day, I take about 10 minutes of silence. Some people call it meditation, but you don't need to sit in a special way or close your eyes. For me, it just means turning off distractions and breathing slowly. I do this before I start work, and it helps me feel focused and calm. I make better decisions and feel more patient with people. Another habit that helps my mind is reading. I read for 15 to 20 minutes a day, usually in the evening, not on my phone. I prefer real books or an e-reader. Reading helps me relax and also improves my vocabulary. Now, let's talk about food. Healthy eating is one of the most important habits, but also one of the most misunderstood. Many people think that eating healthy means following a strict diet or counting every calorie. But for me, it's about balance and consistency. I try to eat mostly whole foods, fruits, vegetables, grains, and proteins like eggs, beans, or chicken. I listen to my body. When I'm hungry, I eat, and when I feel full, I stop. I also drink plenty of water during the day. I carry a water bottle everywhere, at home, in the office, even when I travel. Staying hydrated helps me feel more alert and less tired. Of course, I still enjoy a treat now and then. A piece of chocolate or a slice of cake on special occasions is totally fine. Healthy habits are not about perfection, they're about progress. Finally, let's talk about movement. Some people love going to the gym, others prefer dancing, yoga, or simple walks. The key is to move your body every day, even just a little. You don't need a perfect workout routine. Just find something you enjoy and do it regularly. So, to sum up, start your day with purpose, take care of your mind, eat with balance, and move your body. Small steps, done consistently, create big change. Thank you for listening to English with Aish. If you enjoyed this episode, follow and share it with a friend who's learning English. See you next time, and remember, speak with confidence, live with purpose.